Discover the engineering brilliance at MrTech. Each homemade wood splitter combines precision, durability, and innovation, making your task faster and safer. It's craftsmanship that marries function with design, perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Dibble firewood processor is engineered for serious wood processing. Its powerful saw blade cuts through thick logs with ease, while the splitting system ensures large pieces of wood are divided evenly and efficiently. This machine combines precision and reliability, making it ideal for professionals looking to boost their productivity. Engineered for extreme performance, this homemade wood processor integrates an SL300 four-stroke gas engine for efficiency. Delivering 80 tons of force, it works seamlessly with a 100-horsepower John Deere motor and a 7-foot hydraulic chainsaw. Designed for handling large eucalyptus logs, this setup ensures precision, speed, and reliability, making it the best DIY solution available. The Porsche Splitmaster 9T is designed for professionals who demand power, efficiency, and reliability. With a dedicated engine and a sturdy chassis, this machine ensures smooth, uninterrupted operation. Its 9-ton splitting force can handle even the most challenging logs with precision, making it an essential tool for firewood production and heavy-duty applications. A well-built splitter requires both power and smart design. I engineered a similar model with a 6.5 horsepower hydraulic system. Less powerful, but still efficient with hardwoods. The vertical hydraulic tank presents an interesting structural advantage worth exploring. Additionally, I integrated a cable-operated side lift table, which locks horizontally to maximize workspace functionality. When drilling, safety should come first. Instead of using your hands to stabilize materials, opt for a wedge under the drill. It provides better control and reduces risks. Also, working without gloves prevents fabric from getting caught in the drill bit, ensuring a safer and smoother operation. Small adjustments like these make a big difference in safety. A well-designed wood splitter should maximize efficiency, and this modification does just that. By adding a stable table, wood pieces remain secured after splitting, reducing manual effort and improving workflow. This simple yet practical enhancement streamlines the process, making it more ergonomic and time-saving. If you're tired of using basic tools or don't have a professional jigsaw at hand, building your own from garage parts is an effective solution. It's not just about saving money. It's about making something functional when you need it most. A little resourcefulness can solve a big problem, turning spare parts into a handy tool. Looking to enhance your cutting efficiency? The STIHL chainsaw bracket is the perfect tool for DIY enthusiasts. Designed for maximum stability, it allows you to work smarter, not harder. This custom-built saw holder ensures precise cuts every time. Don't miss out on a more productive and convenient working experience. The Clappy Wood Cutter is the ultimate tool for transforming your lumber into precision-cut masterpieces. Powerful, reliable, and designed for efficiency, this machine makes every cut count. With top-tier technology and smooth operation, it's the choice of professionals looking for perfection in every piece of wood. This machine is an engineering marvel. The hydraulic system is expertly designed to handle and split large logs with precision and power. The splitting wedge works flawlessly, ensuring you can tackle even the toughest tasks effortlessly. The design also allows for a seamless conversion to a one-handed operation, though you won't need to consider that option. The wood splitter with a gear mechanism is a technical marvel. By utilizing a gear-driven system, it optimizes force distribution, making splitting wood both smoother and more efficient. The precision engineering behind this ensures durability and long-lasting performance, perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Have you ever worried about cutting wood, especially as you get older? Well, imagine a tool that lets you split firewood with ease, and most importantly, no risk to your hands. This safe firewood splitter makes that possible, and it's perfect for seniors who want to keep doing what they love safely. How cool is that? This tool is a game changer for anyone who loves DIY projects or needs to handle wood cutting with ease. Designed specifically for quick, convenient use with a chainsaw, its simplicity and affordability make it an indispensable tool in every household. Imagine getting the job done faster with minimal effort. Your homemade wood splitter featuring an SL 300 single-cylinder four-stroke engine, is a testament to fine craftsmanship. However, speed is a limiting factor, especially when splitting long logs without spacers. To enhance performance, consider optimizing hydraulic flow or increasing ram force. Small modifications could significantly boost efficiency while maintaining durability. When it comes to custom-built chainsaws, precision and power are non-negotiable. With a 5.5 kilowatt engine, paired with Steel's premium guide bar and chain, you're looking at durability and top-tier performance. The gravity-fed lubrication system ensures the saw remains at optimal function, even after hours of continuous use. The 2.2 kilowatt motorized wood splitter is about to take a significant leap in performance. This upgrade will sharpen its specifications, enhancing its power and efficiency. Whether you're working on a large-scale project or handling small logs, it's now built to handle even more with precision. Get ready for a whole new level of productivity. As an expert in high-efficiency tools, I can confidently say that the reset feature on this wood splitter is revolutionary. By returning the wedge to its starting position after each cycle, it minimizes idle time, ensuring a constant workflow and maximizing overall productivity. This is an essential upgrade for professionals. A high-speed engine paired with a fast-spinning saw blade presents a specific challenge: the combination of velocity and force. As speeds soar, maintaining control and ensuring precision becomes increasingly difficult. The friction generated can lead to unsafe separations, making the process not only inefficient, but also dangerous. It's a crucial factor in any high-speed operation. Engineered with durability and efficiency in mind, this homemade wood splitter combines practical design with a high-performance motor. Its ability to split even the toughest, most knotted logs ensures smooth, consistent operation. Whether for home or professional use, this tool optimizes productivity and reduces manual effort significantly. When equipped with a cone wood splitter, an excavator becomes a powerful tool for logging. Its sharp, efficient design ensures precision splitting, allowing for optimal use of time and resources. This enhancement maximizes productivity while minimizing manual labor, revolutionizing wood processing operations. When it comes to preparing firewood for the winter, precision matters. Our wood splitter with a cone splitter design ensures efficient and accurate wood separation. It's engineered to tackle tough logs with ease, saving you time and effort. This machine makes preparing your firewood smoother, faster, and more reliable. No more manual splitting. The Posh Cutmaster Comfort is engineered for professionals who require precision and reliability. Its hydraulic conveyor system maximizes productivity, while the versatility of either electric or tractor PTO operation provides unmatched convenience. This machine is a must-have for those serious about efficient wood cutting. Looking for a reliable, heavy-duty log splitter? The Binderberger 450 SPZ is engineered for maximum efficiency and durability. With its powerful engine and precise cutting mechanism, this machine can handle even the toughest wood. It's perfect for anyone who needs to get the job done quickly and effectively. Building your own firewood rack might seem like a simple task, but trust me, there's a sense of accomplishment you can only feel when it's done. The first step is securing the measuring bars to the base. Sounds easy, right? But getting those cuts right on the first try is what truly makes your rack sturdy and reliable. Tired of sawmills that can't handle the big stuff? Our modern sawmill solves that problem with a closed-loop system and professional processing tools, ready to cut through even the largest logs without breaking a sweat. Whether you're working on a major project or need consistent, accurate cuts, this sawmill delivers top-tier results every time. The integration of a custom woodcutter with the Hofer Gs35 tractor provides unmatched accuracy and versatility. Whether you're working with hardwood or softwood, this setup ensures clean, precise cuts every time with ease. The custom modifications allow for flexibility and size adjustments, making it an invaluable tool for both professionals and hobbyists. This wood processing machine is a game changer in the industry. It's designed for maximum efficiency, turning raw logs into top-tier firewood while expertly separating sawdust and husks in the process. With its advanced technology, you'll experience a smooth, waste-free operation, perfect for both large-scale production and smaller businesses. The new record pull saw is a marvel of engineering, combining robust steel framing with large wheels for smooth operation. Its powerful flywheel and lever system provide efficient, controlled cutting with ease. Designed to excel in demanding environments, it's a tool that stands out in any workshop. multi-belt drive system is a marvel in engineering. By providing a balance between flexibility and durability, it reduces vibrations, increases speed control accuracy, and ensures low maintenance requirements, all while enhancing operational efficiency. Perfect for industries demanding precision and longevity. When it comes to cutting wood effortlessly, the Spalter drill kegel is your perfect tool. Designed for both home and small industrial use, this easy-to-attach drill bit works seamlessly with any drill or screwdriver. Simply attach, and you're ready to make precise cuts every time, saving you both time and effort. You wouldn't expect a firewood processor to be so versatile, but Petzolato's high-performance machine can handle even the toughest jobs. It's built to work with massive logs, but it's not just about size, it's the precision that sets it apart. It's like having a reliable partner in the field, making every task smoother. Having built and tested countless machines, I can confidently say this homemade splitter is amazing. The flywheel and wedges operate smoothly, splitting wood with incredible precision. But remember, my friends, wearing protective gear will keep you safe and is the key to working sustainably in the long run.
I think so. See what I move.
This concludes our exploration of the intriguing world of homemade machines. We encourage you to share your feedback in the comments section and subscribe to our channel for future updates.